Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video I'm gonna be show you guys how to find username or password in Instagram. So yeah guys, let's get started today's video. So first thing is guys, you're gonna open your Instagram, and after that you can go the profile section at the bottom right corner, and after that you can see at the top right corner the three lines. Gonna tap on it, and here you can tap on account center, and you can scroll a little bit and you can see the password and security. You're gonna tap on it, and after this you can see the all saved password on your Instagram. So yeah guys, this is how you can do it. If this video was helpful for you, please leave a like, comment, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing content and update like this. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.